Hey guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today I will be making tomato paste. Let's get cooking. First, I have this tomato in a pot. I've already washed it very well. Wash your tomato before you use it. Please wash it. There is dirt on the tomato. Wash it very well. If you see that you wash it with ordinary water and it does not clean, you can use vinegar to wash it very well. If you are unsure that if you use ordinary water it won't clean, you can use vinegar. Now we are going to turn on our stove. We'll put it in medium heat. You allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After it has cooked for 25 minutes, we will blend it and I will show you the remaining process. Now, I will now show you how it looks. Oh my goodness. This is how it looks. This water, it has so much water inside. I didn't add any water. The water that came out from the tomato. So now I'm going to drain it now. You see the seed coming out, water come out from the tomato seed. You see these tomatoes. I'm going to drain the water because the seed is already soft. The skin has already soft. You see, it's already soft. It's soft. So we will drain it now. Let's drain it. Be careful, it's hot. Now we are going to blend it. You don't need to remove the skin of the tomato. You don't need to remove it, the skin, because of my blender is powerful. If your blender is not powerful, you can remove the skin. Don't forget, we are making tomato paste. I've blended it. It's very smooth. My blender is powerful, so it's smooth. I'm going to pour it in the pot back. This is the last one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Please tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye channel. Okay. Now let's check. Now let's check it. I've been cooking it for 1 hour now. See how it's thick? But we want it to be thicker than this. But every few minutes you can kind of stir it so that it won't get burnt. That's what I did. This is it. Let's cover it and let it continue cooking. Now let's check. Let us check it. You see, it has dried off. Let's take it off of the stove. It has dried off very well. You see it? It's dried, no water inside. Now, I'm going to put it in a glass jar. This is the glass jar. This is the glass jar. This is it. I'm going to put it in this glass jar. When you want to put it in the glass jar, you make sure that it's very hot before you put it in a glass jar. It's very important that you should put it in that glass jar. Very hot. But if you don't have glass jar, you can put it in a plastic container that is very clean. You can put it inside. When you are putting it in your plastic container, make sure that you are doing the same thing. You let it be hot before you put it inside the container and cover it very well and store it in your refrigerator. But if you don't have glass jar, you can put it in a plastic container that is very clean. You can put it inside. When you are putting it in your plastic container, make sure that you are doing the same thing. You let it be hot before you put it inside the container and cover it very well and store it in your refrigerator. Now, when you have poured it in your glass jar or your plastic container, you make sure that it's very cool down before you put it in the refrigerator. Please, before you put it in the refrigerator, make sure that it's very cool down before you put it in the refrigerator. Thank you. God bless. Please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Now let's put it in our glass jar. Now I'm going to cover it. Make sure it's very tight. Now I cook this my tomato for 2 hours. If you are making like 10-11 jar, because I make just only 1 jar, but if you are making a lot of jar or a lot of tomatoes, you are going to cook it longer than you may cook it like 5 hours, 6 hours. But in my tomato, if you watch the video carefully, you will see that I drain the water out before blending it. If I didn't drain the water out before blending it, it will take me longer than 2 hours to make. So please make it. Tell your friend, tell your family, tell your co-workers that they should subscribe to Damilola Olaleye's YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, tell everybody you know. And I will see you next time in my video.